Its Megave Jabbar Jowls, very famous for its aggressive teeth. Leaves are folded upward like a shark open mouth. Leaves color green to grey, grey to blue, and highly spotted with dots color burgundy, purple. Its name Jabbar Jowls inspired with the movie of Jowls for its aggressive teeth. Very beautiful plant, Megave Jabbar Jowls. Its resemblance like a shark teeth. Very easy growing plant.